Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a painting from a company called PaintSomeWay, that from an order that I had done. This isn't a product review, this was just a purchase I did on my end, because I was curious on the company. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I did an order, kind of a medium-sized order from PaintSomeWay, and I have shown some of the other paintings from that order. One of the paintings I've shown, I'm doing it for an event for this month. I'm really close to finishing, so stay tuned for the post-review. Sorry, I forgot the wording was. Post-review for that painting. It's coming out so cute, and I'm falling in love with it. The last painting I wanted to show was my largest one I put in the order. This painting, I originally saw it from another diamond painting channel I watched, that she did a product review, I believe. Ooh, apologies for that. And I saw the painting when she showed it, and it was from PaintSomeWay, that I fell in love when I saw it. And I love that it was a larger painting, and it's of an image that I have several other diamond paintings from different companies of different sizes. And I love this image. So let me just unfurl it real quick. As I said, it is a larger painting. And I'm still unfurling it. Oh, look at that. The little wax decided to rebel and get out. I like that. Oh, it's a little Ziploc bag. So it comes with your standard diamonds, of course, and your standard tray. Let me put the little wax back in here. It has a resealable bag, so I think it opened and after the little wax got out. Close it back, and there you go. So it always comes with your standard tray, pen, and a wax. And just in case you need a diamond painting, the standard tray, pen, and wax is you would just pour the diamonds into the tray, press your pen onto the wax, press onto the diamonds, press it onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And don't worry, just in case you lose one, or if it breaks, or if it tries to run away, your next painting will have you covered. Trust me, they always have these standard trays and little packages in canvases. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, goodness, the sparkle on them was the first thing I saw. And oh my goodness, the square painting. Yeah, that's a plot twist. I did not know that. When I first put it in my cart, when I was doing the order, I just put it in because I fell in love with what Rosie always does, falls in love with the image. Puts it in the cart, buys it, and lo and behold, when I open it, I get surprised by something. And I didn't know this painting was square. Oh my goodness. And my other PaintSomeWay paintings are round. So I'm a little, no, apologies. There is one that was a square as well. But I did not know this one was a square. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited to work on this one. I've been trying to do a lot more square paintings. So I have no problems with this. And I am so excited because I really do want to try the squares for this company. I haven't tried them yet. And what I mean by kitted up, just in case you're not familiar with the terms, they're already all organized and put in these resealable bags. So all you really have to do is just open the bag, take off the plastic from the painting, and voila, you can just start painting whatever color you want to start with. Oh my goodness, the shine on them are really, really pretty. I love the teal colors and these really nice dark salmon colors. Oh, this is so pretty. I really love how it looks. Apologies, I got excited by the diamonds. This is the painting. So this wonderful painting really won me over when I saw it. And I do apologize. I want to say I saw it on Diamond Grandma's channel, but I'm not too sure. So I apologize if that is the incorrect channel. But I fell in love when I saw it. And there's something with the style that won me over. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love the Great Wave. I love this image. I actually have several paintings in this image as well. And for some reason, to me, if you actually look at it more carefully, the style looks like it's drawn. What I mean, it doesn't look as clear as, let's say, a photograph or a high-res image or anything. If you actually look at the style a bit, it looks like it was a hand-drawn image that they switched to a diamond painting. I have no problems with it. I'm really impressed by it because I really love how it looks. Reminds me a little bit like a coloring book, but I kind of like that. So for some information about the painting, it is GS4048 and it's a 50 by 40 and it is 24 colors. Oh my goodness, I love the wave and I love the flowers on top. I love the red flowers. Excuse me. And I knew that it was a 50 by 40. I knew it was a large painting. but oh my goodness, it's so pretty seeing it in person. The drill field is pretty clear because I'm catching the darker tones, because usually the dark tones make me a little nervous because sometimes, unfortunately, you can't see it that clearly, but I'm actually having no issues. Maybe I might use a light pad, but I might not. I usually don't use light pads with square paintings, but I really do love the art style of this one. Oh my goodness, those flowers are so pretty. And anything with a lighter tone, let's say the white, or with the sun, or any of the light blues, I can actually see real clearly. They use a darker tone. But for the darker sections of the painting, for example, as in the mountains, they do use kind of a light tone. For the, I'm assuming it is black. Let me see, what letter is it? It's F. It is, oh no, it's 939. So close. It's a really dark tone. And yeah, there is white lettering. Myself, I can see no problems, but I can see, you know, you might have some issues if it might be a little bit dark for you. So I would recommend a light pad, even though it's a square painting, just so you're able to see the lettering. And apologies, the legend is from the numbers 1 through 9 are in numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 10 to 24, they're all capitalized letters, meaning A, B, C, so on. I love that there's one on the top left and on the bottom right. I love when canvases do that, because I've probably said in a lot of my videos, I spin my poor paintings around when I'm painting, because sometimes I'm limited in space, so it's easier if I just roll up the painting and work in that section and be turning it around. For me, it makes sense. And yeah, I really love this image, and I've never really completed a 50 by 40. I probably one of the largest, or I'm trying to finish, is the 50 by 50, but not a 50 by 40, which is more horizontal. 50 by 50 is just a big square. So I'm really excited about this painting. And I'm not too sure if I'll kit it up, meaning I'll probably put it in another storage container. Or I might actually. I don't use resealable bags that much, but some of the bags are really large. For example, this white, and I believe this might be 310. No, apologies, that's 939. And it makes me a little nervous that if I have it kind of open, if it's a large bag, that I'm going to spill it. So I think this painting, when I do decide to work on it, I think I might put them in the little storage containers that I use. Usually it's my little tube storage. I think I might have to do that, because these larger bags make me a little nervous, and I am clumsy, so I am so worried to drop any of those trying to collect them all. Goodness, that would be crazy. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. As I said, this was the last painting I had in my little Paint Some Way purchase that I did. And I said this isn't a product review. I just really wanted to try out this company, because I've never purchased from before. And I've seen other diamond painters, you know, do product reviews, and some of the paintings are just gorgeous. So that's why I was really excited to try this painting out. My goodness, especially when I see it in person now, I'm really, really happy about it. Ooh, just love the colors, and I keep looking at it. Sorry about that. And any information for this painting, I'll put in the description below, just in case a nice little large wave is your style as well. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put my channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.